Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to fetch the custom post into your WordPress. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we can check the custom post. So we'll go with the dashboard. So here we have the custom post, right? So here we have added all the custom posts. So now I'm going to make it something like you know beautiful title so that we can check. Okay, so we'll go with the lorem ipsum and we will add some of the content to check. Okay, so what is lorem ipsum? First we write in the material section, edit. Okay, and the context also we will add, update. Next we have why do we use it. Edit. Last one, where did it come from? Materials, the last. Okay, and here we go with this one. This is updated. Now you can check that I have fetch all the custom post here. What is lorem ipsum, then why do we use it, and where does it come from. Okay, so you can see that all the custom posts are coming over here. So how we are going to fetch all these custom posts, let's have a look on that one. Okay, so here we have the fetching the custom post, right? So here we have created a template file for the name custom post material, and here you can see that when I click on go to the dash or edit page. Okay, so here we have a template file that's name is custom post material, and you can see that custom post material. What we have to go do is we have to create a new file which name is on the theme, that is page material.php, and here we have to name the template name, that is custom post material, and get header. So this is for the header part, and the last one that is for the footer part, get underscore footer. Okay, and the in the midway we have the code. I can just minus it. Okay, and here you can see that we have a, how create a custom query to fetch the custom post. Then we have a arguments, post type is material, post per page to be 10, whether it's to be if you want to fetch all the posts, then make sure it should be a -1. Okay, then custom query new wp query. Okay, so you have this is the WordPress function which accepts one argument, so you need to pass the arguments. Okay, and here check if there are any custom posts. Custom query have post, this is a method that is called have post. If it has, then we have to go with the while loop. Okay, custom query have posts, then custom query the post, the title, the content, the excerpt. You can, if you want to get the title, you can add the title. If you want to get the content, you can get the content. Okay, so this is the way the title content it is fetching over here. So you can see that the title and the content. If I go just view the post, so this is basically, is there anything changed? Sorry, it's to be pages, right? Pages. When we have a test page, this is that one, right? So text and all. Okay, so this is way that you can fetch the custom post, and make sure you have to reset the post data, wp reset post data. Okay, so this is basically the title you are fetching the content. Okay, and then we have a thumbnail, then we have a post content. So all of these things we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, so how to get the title with the underscore title, and to content the underscore content. Okay, so any doubt in query in that, just let me know in the comment section. This is the way that you can fetch the posts. Okay, so there is another method that you can also fetch the fetch one. So the next one is the using the get posts. Okay, so I'm not going to use the get post method right now. Okay, so let's check this one also. So let's add this one at the same moment. or you can just comment the previous one. Okay, and you have to pass the slug over here. So we have a material slug. How to get the slug name? So here we have the in the this one. If I go and just check the materials, and this is the slug that you have to add post type material. Okay, so whatever is to be product, whether it's to be post, just mention it out to be a material slug name, right? And we have fetching the data, then the content. Okay, let's see the data is showing or not. Here we have a test page. Let's reload. There is no change. The things are coming up, and I think we haven't uploaded it. So upload it. Just reload it. Okay, the same thing is coming from that also. Okay, so this is how we are able to get the custom post data into your WordPress with the two method, that is WP query and the get post method. Okay, so any doubt, any query, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.